Yeah, so when I was in the UK, I was visiting with a large high street retailer there, multi-billion pound, I should say, um, client in the UK. And it was fascinating to understand their business model. I had a partner with us, and the partner asked the question, why is InfoBurst so important to your operation? And InfoBurst, of course, is our platform for the automated scheduling, bursting, and distribution of business objects reports. And the client has three distinct entities, but it fundamentally runs its business on the distribution of the output. Things like out of stock reports and critical information that needs to get to individual store managers as well as people in the administration, so they can make important decisions, every morning, every day, in order to keep the business profitable, keep it running smoothly, and so forth. And so, the client explained to our partner that, this was, a really, really important solution. And one of the things as to why it was so important was because, unlike what is built into the Business Objects product itself, they needed a tool that could automatically schedule, based on ETL jobs or jobs that were loading the database, I should say, finishing, and then dynamically naming the files that it was going to push out to different folders and to different people based on the content that was actually inside that report itself. So, there were names of products and dates and timestamps that needed to be there. And it was based on that naming convention that they know exactly what they need to look at and what they want to compare and so forth. And so this was an absolutely critical need for them, which was fulfilled immediately by InfoBurst and was the primary reason why they started using the solution in the first place. Since then, they've gone on to use all sorts of fascinating, or use the product in all sorts of fascinating ways. They do a lot of what we call content grouping, where they will take different pieces of information from different reports and stick them back together into a single report, so that that person now receives just one report instead of 11 separate reports. And so that helps them, to consolidate the information, and also the ability to burst or split content multiple times and by multiple levels. And so you could go in and say, okay, well, I want to split this by county, and then I want to split it by city, and then I want to split it, by postal code, and then I want to split it by individual store, and then I want to split it by individual department. And each of those splits can be done, and each piece that comes out, can be sent in a different format to a different destination automatically. But in addition to that, pieces can be rolled up together, and those rolled up pieces can also be sent in different formats to different people as well. So incredibly powerful and versatile tool, and fundamentally it runs the business there at this huge organization in the UK.